Hey everyone, it's Scott from TrendPunk Product Reviews, and today we are looking at a number of products from MOONIES, and we're just going to dig in here and go through each one of them one by one. Now, if you're a parent, you understand there are some things you want and some things you need. This definitely goes into the need category, and here's why. This first product we're looking at is the Impossibly Compact Travel Flushable Mini Wipes. And if you have a child, you understand this is a no-brainer. You probably got some products already, if not this one, for when your child needs to use a public restroom. Why do we like this product? A number of reasons. First of all, it's got baby class safety, which means these wipes are crafted with scientifically safe formula featuring 99.5% EDI, ultra pure water, and natural plant extracts. It's safe for sensitive skin, it's hypoallergenic, it's unscented, and it is obviously extremely compact. In fact, the package itself is tinier than a credit card. But as you can see, the flushable sheets are what you would expect from this kind of product. And it doesn't tear because they're made with 100% plant source fibers. So these are plastic free, septic safe, sewer safe, and they're designed to break down easily when they are flushed. So easy to travel with, easy to use. You can put it in your pocket. We love this. We give this product 2 thumbs up.